Girl, calm down. I'm about to give it to you. Calm down. She wants this lickable stick. Calm down. Girl, calm down. I'm working on it. Girl, calm down. Okay, I'm about to... Don't get me... Oscar, calm down. Jordan. Want this lickable stick or not? Here. Here, a little crazy. Girl, calm down. That's almost my finger. Yeah, some in your eyes. What? You had some in your eyes, Oscar. Really, Oscar? Okay, here. Damn. Scoot, girl, scoot. Oscar, yeah, look on that. Better not drop it on my couch again. Calm down. Y'all hurt my arm, and y'all got food on me. What? Here, wipe it. Here. Come on, I don't got all day. You always the main one, Oscar. Well, I just put my nose in, you guys. We moving again. Girl, slow that. Slow that. Ooh, my bad. Ooh, girl, slow down. Get up here, Jordan. Jordan, get up here. You want some more? Come on, I don't got all day. Come on. Guess you want some more too. Really, Jordan? You gonna make me do it on the floor? Really? Come on. Okay. Ask. Get over here. Shit. You are making my arm hurt. Sit still. Sit still. Oh Lord, these cats. You making me do it on the damn floor, aren't you? Sorry about the camera, Emma. Here, drink, dang, bang. And look at this one. It's your girl, Jackson Crazy Soul. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Bye, you guys. Really, Dream? Really?